Hello, Professor Yunus. Hello, Sheikh Ahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Marjida. I am a Rohingya refugee girl. I live in a camp in Bangladesh. I was born here, but this is not my home. My home is in Arkan, which is in Myanmar. I never saw Arkan because I cannot go there. You know why? Because my mother told me when they lived in Arkan, they were attacked by very bad people. They had to run. They stopped running when they came in Bangladesh. My mother told me this story many times. It is a sad story. I don't understand all of it. Maybe you will.
Ara garo tara asilam. Asin mode moka ayere military ayere Mario ara dora di felaye. Kialla andilago gianara hoyona kari. Ara ide bisi jorot time magara jor dile ara tafalan jaga buta kita dinar ba wanda tu gunja hole talfalan bisha dikun neta biada shata ara dun hosto goriya ne bisi hosto goriya na ara Bangladesh ha batasi awada kissa hega jikissa hana kari Bangladesh ha batai re Bangladesh jara ne jahana dina dina ara nyotta kira ara Bangladesh karotu jaki ju sai jogo jalla rahmat kar shukriya zindagi to farane hajin Ready, busy man in Marahay, and the Guli Halva, Mamma, and I am Marai. As I got Mazayara, sister in a hurry out to do a Dua by Shamaragi. Neither Shani Maragi. To the Shato de Takita, my connection, but to the Shani to the Nara Shorkara, the Dua Dal Dua Solin, a Thomas delay, Gokura, Kurani, Ara, Hotai. Pele masuk ara tu masuk dine ara tu mana mana jahat. Tiada ara, ay hosto tiada terhazar hata macam hosto. Ara patah bat tu jana barat tin jana barat dia het. Ara desu tu ara tu hosto ban otu. Kan ni jatuh al dobina sil ni jatuh guru sala sil ni jatuh buda sil. Ni jor income asin ni jatuh jaga jemut tu mungkin income gura hai betam. Arab desh nahi. Arab desh Allah Ramadan Arab desh boli na bana. One edeshottar ka ono to hondi ke fenno pore ono desh Allah. Tara ono to jai Allah raji achi ke ara to sosomboti ase. Ara to jaga jebin ase buda gada ase. Ara bida bari ase.
I told you it is a sad story in our camp. Everybody has a sad story. Each time my mother tells me her story, she says, one day we all will go home in Arkan. We will live again in our beautiful green village, below which the river runs. We will again hear the birds singing and watch butterflies flying. I've lived here. That is why I want to go home in Arkan. But mother says, it is not easy to go back. We need a lot of help. Professor Yunus and Sheikh Ahim, will you and your friends around the world help me and my family to go back home in Arkan?